Hi everyone, this is Sachin and Kirtana from Mangalore. We are into the May 2021 workshop. In this workshop, we have learned so many informations related to this business. Uh, as everyone knows the workflow of how the cash flow quadrant will work, but nobody is ready to take the risk to to jump from employee quadrant to the business quadrant. In this business, Ravi explained very beautifully how we can jump from employee quadrant to the business quadrant. What are all the protocols we need to take, and how it will work, and what we needs to do to overcome from that to jump from employee quadrant to the business quadrant. And another information what I liked is we are helping the peoples those who are all facing obesity. We have a community called Free Obesity Nation. There they are training to get a good health and to overcome from that diseases. That is one more good advantage what I saw in this business. Also, one more attractive thing is we are following pull strategy, not an push strategy. So this is another good point to lead this business. This is also I learned from the last workshop, and Kirtana will share some more ideas or what she learned.
I always used to think that social media is just a basic platform for the fun and entertainment. But after attending the workshop week one, I realized that social media is a basic platform where we can start building our own network businesses. Also, that we started taking it seriously and we started to make our social media account a creative one. Second thing is the CMOS concept is the most attractive one, because where we will improve ourselves in terms of our health, and then we will set as an example or a role model to others so that they can consider, they will get inspired by us, and that is the main a point which will help for the pull strategy. And the last thing is, I always, when I get into this workshop one, I always used to think that I will run out of time, it is difficult for me to manage the time. But then the concept of time budgeting really helped me a lot. I started to make a timetable of my own, and after making the timetable I realized that I'm getting the leisure time of around 2 to 3 hours a day, where I can use that time for the business, and I'm already started doing it. So I'm somewhere feeling getting engaged and getting busy and also learning a lot of things. Thank you.
Thank you.